10 years ago, about 1 in 5 people were smoking locally, and today that's about 1 in 10. We want to go even further and get that down to below 1 in 20. And to do that, we're launching a new offer called Swap to Stop.
Smoking is incredibly harmful. It affects every part of the body, from breathing difficulties to heart problems, strokes. It causes cancer. It affects pregnancies and childhood diseases. And we know that if an adult smoker switches from smoking tobacco to using a vape, it is a fraction of the risk.
We know that lots of people manage to quit through willpower and support from their friends and family. Other people need to use nicotine replacement therapy. But one of the most effective ways is vaping.
What we now know is 4 out of 10 smokers in this country are misinformed about vaping. So many people believe it to be as harmful as smoking. And that really has an impact on our Swap to Stop scheme. What we're trying to do is to help adult smokers understand the great benefits to be had by switching to a regulated vape.
The things to remember about vaping: if you don't smoke, don't vape. It's 95% safer than smoking if you're a smoker using it as a smoking cessation tool, but if you don't smoke, don't vape.
You can sign up, find out more at LiveWell Dorset's website and register for a free starter kit.
We will then text you or email you with a code which you'll be able to redeem with Totally Wicked, who will provide you with a vape starter kit. It really is as simple as that. If you haven't got a mobile phone or an email address, you can call into the service as well.
We'll have some coaching videos available to all people coming through that are looking to use a vape. Those videos will be available online. There'll be no waiting time for it. So you can crack straight on when you feel you are ready to quit smoking.
And make that commitment, take the first few steps on your way to becoming smoke-free, protect your health and your pocket and your loved ones.